Hey creators, want to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter? Today we are diving into top YouTube analytics tool that can help you track your performance, understand your audience and skyrocket your growth. So let's get started. First up, we have TubeBuddy. This browser extension is favorite among YouTubers for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. With TubeBuddy, you can conduct keyword research. It's perfect for creators who want to simplify SEO and want to grow faster. Fun fact is, over 5 million creators are using TubeBuddy to manage their channels. Next up, we have vidIQ. If you are serious about YouTube SEO and analytics, then vidIQ is your go-to tool. It offers keyword insights and competitors analysis, and even real-time performance tracking. vidIQ helps you to discover new trending topics and provide tips to boost your engagement. With millions of users worldwide, vidIQ is trusted by new creators and big influencers alike. And of course, we can't forget the built-in YouTube Studio Analytics. It's free and packed with insights. You can monitor watch time, audience retentions, and demographics. It's a great starting for understanding what content works best. Social Blade is another essential tool for tracking your channel's growth and comparing stats with other creators. It provides estimates on earnings, subscriber milestone, and many more. And that's the wrap on the top YouTube analytics tools every content creator should know about. Which tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to grow your YouTube channel. See you next time.